How's it going?
Morning, how are you?
Check him in.
Come on in.
All right. Caden Runge,
Good.
ITEC 451.
Okay.
I had a meeting with Alejandro a few weeks back. Is he in the office?
No.
No.
Shit, guy never works.
Oh, really? Never knew that. Well, I spoke with him a little bit about maybe possibly being like a supplier for your guys' waterworks needs.
Okay.
If you want to hear a little recap of kind of what we talked about, I guess what's your position here at McNeil?
Well, I'm a guy here.
You're just
I'm just a guy.
What's like your story? How long have you been here?
I've been here long enough.
Long enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's yours?
So I've been with ITEC 451 for about 5 years. After graduation, I started in the warehouse. Then I moved my way up to the counter, and I recently started my outside sales position. You do a lot of the purchasing here?
I do so.
Okay. If I understand correct, is like multifamily projects your main focus here at McNeil? Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So here's a little bit about what me and Alejandro talked about a few weeks back. He asked for me to bring a list of our customers. So I brought you a list of them. If you need to contact them, if you do consider us as your supplier and want to know like how we perform, you could call on them. And
What problem are you here to solve?
I guess, do you have any problems with your current supplier for waterworks?
That's my question.
Okay.
Is what are we trying to solve here? What are we doing here?
I'm here because I think I could provide you with good lead times, good pricing, product knowledge. I could do. I just want to be there for you guys to supply your waterworks needs, and I just want.
Define waterworks. What products do you carry?
Okay, so I actually brought this here. Here's a product list of what we carry. We do have a lot of like the water coming into the facility and drainage for sewer. From valves, pipe, fittings, like your butterfly valves.
Tell me about my company. What's your perception of us?
So you guys are a construction company. You focus on commercial, residential. Your main focus is building multifamily facilities like apartments. You're in the Omaha area, and we're also located in the Omaha area. So if you were to consider us, we could.
You're missing the key point here.
Okay.
And the key point you're missing is we build quality.
Quality, yes.
And at no point during our conversation have you said the word quality.
Okay.
So you're here to offer me a price, then I'm not interested. If you're here to offer me quality at a decent price, then perhaps we can have a conversation.
Okay. Yep. I don't think it's necessary to speak on product pricing today.
Why?
I think we should, I don't know, establish kind of where we sit if we were to consider working with each other.
Where do we sit right now?
So I'll tell you a little like why you should consider us. Our warranties. So we offer here. I'll start with we offer free deliveries, free stocking. We have good warranties. We offer valve insertions and live tap to existing water mains, so you wouldn't have to subcontract for that during your construction of these multifamily facilities. We have a certified technician for that. He knows, he's been doing it for years. We do the quoting for you guys. We have some guys back at the office. They do really good with the making accurate quotes and takeoffs, looking at the spec sheets, following the codes for the Omaha area.
Okay.
Yep. And that's something we do totally free for you. So that'd be less time off your hands that you wouldn't have to worry about.
So free delivery,
Yep,
free estimation, free.
yep.
Who's paying for all that?
So I think it's important to be completely honest. So with all that free, most money we make is in our pricing, our margins. They're very competitive. We keep them around 5%.
5%.
Margins, yep.
So you're doing all this free stuff and
Yep.
pocketing 5% of the cost of goods sold.
Yep. Waterworks, it's a
Waterworks ain't gonna be in business in a year.
they're high commodity products, they're expensive. I don't know if you have any issues with the price you've been paying recently with your current supplier. I think
This valve right here.
we compete very well with other suppliers around the area with 5% margins.
What does that cost me?
That curb stop, that would probably run you about 100.
So you're gonna make $5 to deliver that to me for free. You're gonna tell me that I need it based on your estimate and pocket $5.
Well, most of our business is in the piping, the water line to the facility and the drainage out, which would be this water main here, the ductile iron and the sewer PVC and
So you're giving this away to sell me this. Essentially, that's what you just said.
Well,
So you're gonna rake me on this and give me this.
these are necessary for when you're using piping at I guess you guys subcontract out for your trenching and wet and pipe laying.
Well, yes, we
You
do.
do?
We use two subs, both we trust very well.
Okay,
But we provide all the parts.
okay,
That's just part of our business model.
yep,
Because to be right honest with you, we trust our negotiation skills
yeah,
versus theirs.
subcontractor.
They're very good at executing a job, but they're not necessarily very good at telling us or negotiating a price on brass fittings and piping.
Yep,
That being said, we do a lot of construction,
Yep.
a lot of it,
mhm,
but it's very, very high quality. So you said earlier that you had good warranty. What does good warranty mean to you?
So our warranty is 60 days. If anything is to go wrong, our warranty is through our vendors. These companies I have listed, I think on the back here, the vendors we work with. Our warranties go through them. We have good relationships with them. We've built some good warranty. We built good warranties through them. And we deal with all the warranty. If something's to go wrong with any of these products, you come to us. We are more than likely to have those on hand, replace them for you, and we will deal with the warranty on the back end. With that, there's no restocking fee. We like to compete with, say, like a Menards or Walmart. Something goes wrong with your product there, you can just go there, return and get your full money back. So I think for us to compete with them, that's something that we also like to do. And then we will go through the warranty with them. They will usually credit us back, the vendor, and everything is good on your end. To still have a good quality working product.
So if one of these water mains decides to leak on me in the middle of the night,
Yep.
and floods one of my apartment buildings,
Okay.
we have a hell of a lot bigger problem than the cost of the pipe,
Yeah.
don't we?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So what are we gonna do about that?
From our end, as the supplier, we will get that pipe. We will get you a new pipe replaced through there. I don't know how the flooding of the basement would work. I know that could the blame on us through our pipe, but from our end, all we could do there is replace that pipe and go back to our vendor and have them see what they can do with the warranty on there.
So we have a good warranty, but
Yep.
we can see what they can do.
Yeah, usually how it goes is they credit us back for the malfunctioning piece. There's no cost on your end.
There's no cost for me to clean up the mess inside the
Oh,
building.
yes, that'll be your issue. I will do what I can do to help you with those. What, like, for my end as supplier, I will
So
do.
you'll do what you can do.
Yeah,
So who are you?
if you were to consider us, I would be your sales rep through ITEC 451.
So I'll need to know a little bit about who you are.
Yeah,
Because part of this whole thing is a trust relationship. People do business with their friends. People do business with people that they respect.
yeah,
So if I wake up tomorrow morning and you're not at whatever,
yeah,
and you're at, I don't know, stocking shelves at Menards,
okay.
what am I supposed to do?
I've been with my company for 5 years. I have no plans on leaving. I plan to stay here. I'm very loyal to my customers. We like to help you grow with which helps us grow. So I rely on you just as much as you would rely on me. And I think that's important to have each other there side by side, just help each other grow. And yeah. Is there, what are you looking for in a supplier? Is that something you look for?
Well, I just kind of described it. I look for somebody that I can trust.
Yeah.
I look for somebody that provides me a high quality product at a reasonable price.
Yes.
If we're looking to be the low cost supplier of anything, I'm not interested, because my buildings are built with pride.
Yes.
And that pride translates to the people who live in it.
Yeah.
We offer a service to the people who rent the buildings that we build.
Yeah.
And so quality is number one, price is secondary. But at the same time, I'm going to hold your feet to the fire, and I need to be 100% confident in the fact that if something is wrong, if something goes wrong in the construction process, or something goes wrong during a warranty period, that somebody is going to be there, that I can pick up a phone and have service when necessary.
Yes.
That's my expectation.
Yeah. Well,
I'm not getting that warm and fuzzy right now.
Yeah. Yeah. We have a big team. We have around 15 people.
I don't want 15 people. I want one person.
One person. Yep. Well, sometimes I won't always be there.
That's going to be a problem.
Okay. Well, that's not common. That's to say if I ever get sick. I have a good team backing me. You call me, I will make sure someone's there for you to deliver your pipe, your fittings. Something were to go wrong, I will have that replaced, and we can have it out the door within a day, since we are located so close to your job sites. Sorry, 1 second. Lost my train of thought here. So do you have a good relationship like that you're describing me with your supplier right now? Or
if I did, you wouldn't be sitting here.
Okay. So is it issues with delivery, or do you have a lot of failure with their products?
Well, I'm not gonna sit here and air the dirty laundry with the company that you're potentially competing with. I want to know what value you bring. And if you can bring me more value than my current suppliers, then I'm all ears.
Yeah. Oh, we don't have very many issues with our products. We carry the big names. They're trustworthy products. We like to carry the best products. So that should be the least of your worries, is product malfunctioning. And if it were, like I said, we will do what we can to resolve that issue.
The unfortunate thing is you're not hearing me.
Okay.
So start again and tell me why you, or what value you and your company bring to my company.
Mr. Casey, we have an emergency. One of our pipes just broke, so if you could please attend to that right away. Thank you.
So our value,
I've gotta make a phone call. I've gotta wrap
Well,
this up.
I just want to tell you that our value, we're very knowledgeable in our product. We know what we're selling. We want to be there for you, supply your needs, your fittings, your pipe, your valves. When you need them, be there for you. If you have any questions, you can always call me. We like to work with you to help you grow. And just always do what we can do to help you build your quality facilities. If you have any more questions, here's my card. I'd love to set up another meeting and maybe go further into this, maybe discuss our pricing.
Okay, let me talk with Alejandro and we'll,
Okay.
why don't you contact him and we'll set something up.
Okay, awesome.
Okay,
Thank you, Casey.
thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.